Hello and welcome to Olga Poltava Crochet, where I share crochet tutorials and my experiences as a crocheter. I continue crocheting squares using basic one-row repeat reversible stitch patterns. Each square I make measures 8 by 8 inches, so these squares can be made into dishcloths, or in my case, I plan to connect them all together into a sampler afghan. Today's tutorial is for the square number 4. This is a very simple stitch, worked with only single crochets and double crochets. The crochet fabric looks the same on both sides and has a bit of texture. This simple stitch can be used for a variety of projects such as scarves, blankets, sweaters, or whatever it is you wish to make. The yarn that I used is Red Heart Soft, which is 100% acrylic, category 4 yarn. The hook size is G, 4.25 millimeters. I hope this simple crochet stitch will be a nice addition to your crochet stitch library. Happy crocheting! The starting chain must be a multiple of 2. To make this square right here, which measures 8 by 8 inches, I started with 32 chains. But I'm going to make a smaller swatch, so I'm going to start with, 18. I'll start with 18 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have 18 chains, and now I start the first row. Into the second chain from the hook, I make a single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2. This is the second chain, and here I make a single crochet. Into the next chain, I make a double crochet. And now I start alternating. I'm gonna make a single crochet, then a double crochet, a single crochet and a double crochet. So into the next chain, a single crochet, and into the next one, a double crochet. And again, into the next chain, a single crochet, and into the next one, a double crochet. And so on. That's how I'm gonna continue crocheting all the way across. Here I am at the end of the row. I make a double crochet, and then into the last stitch, into the last chain, a single crochet. So I started the row with a single crochet, and I ended this row with a single crochet as well. I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain. And from now on, I will be crocheting into the back loops only. So this is where the back loop is. This is the first stitch, first single crochet. And into the back loop only, I make a single crochet into that first stitch. So a single crochet into the first single crochet, working into the back loop only. The next stitch is a double crochet, and into this double crochet, I work a double crochet, back loop only. And again, I start alternating into the next stitch, which is a single crochet, inserting the hook into the back loop only, a single crochet, and into the next stitch, which is a double crochet, inserting the hook through the back loop only, I work a double crochet. And that's how I continue crocheting. A single crochet, then a double crochet, a single crochet, and a double crochet. And that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting all the way across. Now at the end of the row, I have 2 stitches left. So I just made a single crochet. Now I make a double crochet, back loop only. Now the very last stitch, which is a single crochet, I'm actually gonna work through both loops, not just the back loop, but through both loops. And that way I will have a nice sturdy edge of the square or rectangle or whatever it is you're making. I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain. And all I need to do now is to repeat that second row, working into the back loop only, into the first stitch, which is a single crochet. I make a single crochet. into the next stitch, which is a double crochet, inserting the hook through the back loop only. I make a double crochet, and then I alternate a single crochet and a double crochet, a single crochet and a double crochet, and so on. And at the end of the row, again, a double crochet into the back loop only, and the very last stitch is a single crochet, and I make a single crochet through both loops. And that's it. That's all you need to do in this pattern, just repeating the second row.